Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, welcome back in. We're going to dive right into the details of our weekend winter storm. It is likely to be a high-impact storm for many Americans here, all the way from New Mexico to the Carolinas and up into the Northeast. For us in Kentucky, it is especially going to be a gnarly storm. We have heavy snow that is likely. We're still watching for the chance for a little bit of sleet and ice to play a factor in that as we roll forward with this as we go into the weekend. We're also looking at the potential for significant snow, and it's really not a matter of if, but more so a matter of where it's going to set up. And at this point, there is a high likelihood that 8, maybe even 12 inches of snow sets up somewhere across our region, with long-lasting Arctic air following that opportunity that prolongs the problems for us. And we're talking about some very bitter cold as we head into next week. Now, here we are at this time. We're talking about 2 to 3 days out. We are in the plan ahead stage. That means that now is the time to set a plan in place for your home should we potentially lose power, or if we get snowed in for a day or two. Now is a good time to go ahead and make those plans. Tomorrow, we'll likely have a good idea of more specific first call snowfall totals, maybe talking about some ice totals and telling you where and when and what kind of precipitation timeline you can expect going through the weekend. Right now, we're just in the winter storm watch, as are very many Americans here as we roll through the weekend. Ours is from 1 a.m. Saturday to 7 a.m. on Monday. That might get trimmed up a little bit depending upon when the impacts come in, and it will likely be upgraded at some point tomorrow or early Friday to either winter storm warnings or winter weather advisories. As you look here on Futurecast, it's the next big thing. We're tracking out just kind of a general idea of time. Again, this is not set in stone by any means, but by Saturday, mid-morning, maybe even earlier than that, we could see heavy snow begin for us already. Most of Saturday will be snow thanks to how cold the temperatures are going to be. We'll see in some of these darker blues some efficient snowfall rates as well. Tons of moisture available with this, and there may be a little bit of lull in the action before the next surge into Sunday. But here's the thing. We are going to be watching for this zone here where the pinks and blues are coming together. That's that warm air starting to nose northward. Models have been doing this back and forth kind of trend for us as we've gone on here today. And so it will look back and forth with that opportunity for ice as we go into tomorrow. That's something we really need to fine tune, and we'll keep watching how things come out. Southern Kentucky, the best chance to see some of that icing at this point. If it does ice up a little bit, that would cut our snowfall totals down substantially in those areas, while the rest are in for quite the pummeling. If you watch through the end of Sunday, you'll see that it slowly clears out. But even overnight, we got a chance for some of that snow to linger. Monday morning, a few flakes. And then Monday, it's going to be done. Now, here's the latest model from our in-house run talking about the heavy snow. All of this right here, this is 12, 18, 24 inches. That's still a lot. That's still a little aggressive, I think, but that is something that we're going to be fine-tuning tomorrow. This is the zone that's going to be the toughest, I think, in southern Kentucky, where the rain and or snow and or sleet could be. Those totals are going to drop off quickly, and it's going to be a very difficult little piece of the forecast. Now, this is the same model projecting what it thinks ice could be. It has been coming up a lot, and it has been overdoing it a little bit, I think. When we look at a different model here in a minute, you'll see what we're talking about. As we go forward with that opportunity for ice from the GFS model, you'll notice that it does stay well to our south, and that's what we'll be paying attention to. It also likes the idea of the same chance for some heavy snow to come through, and as it does, the opportunities for those high totals come in as well. The prolonged cold coming in after this is also something that we need to discuss, because we're talking about getting a substantial amount of snow and then more Arctic air dropping in most of next week. We're talking about all next week being below freezing. We're talking about some overnight lows in the single digits, and these are estimates right now that we're kind of trying to balance out. If we get snow too, most of these numbers will come down further, and that means for you that we have the opportunity to see some wind chills 10, 15, 20 degrees below zero, depending upon how gusty the winds could be. And again, that is going to likely last almost all of next week. A good 7 to maybe 10 days after this system, we will be stuck below freezing.